Could salads be harming your health without you knowing? Are salads as healthy as we think? It's a question that might raise eyebrows, especially since salads are often hailed as the epitome of healthy eating. Packed with fresh vegetables, fruits, and sometimes even lean proteins, salads seem like the ultimate nutritious choice. However, there's a surprising twist to this story. Could salads actually be harming your health without you even realizing it? Let's look into the hidden dangers lurking within our beloved bowls of greens. 1. Dressing dilemma. One of the first culprits in the salad sabotage is the dressing. Creamy dressings like ranch or Caesar may taste delicious, but they can have a lot of calories and are often loaded with unhealthy fats and added sugars. Even seemingly healthier options like vinaigrettes can be deceivingly high in calories and sodium. Pouring on too much dressing can turn your healthy salad into a calorie bomb in disguise. 2. Hidden calories. While salads are typically associated with weight loss due to their low calorie content, it's easy to overlook the calorie count when loading up on toppings. From nuts and seeds to cheese and croutons, the extras can quickly add up. Even healthy fats like avocado can contribute to a significant calorie intake if not consumed in moderation. Before you know it, your light lunch has turned into a calorie-laden meal. 3. Sugar sneakiness. Fruit is a common addition to salads, adding sweetness and flavor. However, fruits like dried cranberries or candied nuts can be coated in sugar, significantly increasing the sugar content of your salad. Even naturally sweet fruits like mango or grapes can contribute to a high sugar intake if consumed excessively. Too much sugar not only adds empty calories but can also spike blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and cravings later on. 4. Portion problems. While salads are often touted as a healthy choice, portion sizes matter. It's easy to underestimate the quantity of ingredients in a salad, especially when dining out. Restaurants often serve oversized portions, piling on the toppings and dressings. What starts as a well-intentioned meal can quickly escalate into a calorie overload without careful attention to portion control. 5. Nutrient imbalance. Believe it or not, it's possible to have too much of a good thing. While vegetables are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, relying solely on salads for your meals may lead to nutrient imbalances. For instance, salads often lack sufficient protein, which is crucial for muscle repair, immune function, and satiety. Without adequate protein, you may find yourself feeling hungry soon after eating, leading to overeating or reaching for unhealthy snacks. Salads can be both a boon and a bane for your health, depending on how you prepare and consume them. While they offer a convenient way to load up on veggies and fruits, it's essential to be mindful of dressing choices, portion sizes, and ingredient selections. Opting for homemade dressings, watching portion sizes, and balancing your salad with protein and healthy fats can help you reap the benefits of salads without falling into the trap of hidden health hazards. So, the next time you reach for that bowl of greens, remember to tread cautiously and enjoy your salad in moderation for optimal health. If you found the information beneficial, please subscribe to the channel for more tips and guidance on leading a healthy lifestyle.